First on the list, shopping cart. Motor. And then move it. And then wheel, horse, disc. Move, G.
And actually, after that, could you
wheel horse
start
motor.
looking at wheel horse motor.
Wheel horse motor swap. All right. Oh yeah, we'll just add that last year. Okay.
That'll do.
That'll be fine.
Here's our list for today. Just gotta
Shopping cart, wheel horse disc, move the GT 6000, and then inspect what we need to do for an install on the wheel horse.
Yep. So basically, just a shop work day. Got to get things done. It's winter project time. So here is our Costco shopping cart. Lots of you guys have already seen this. It's got a Predator 212. It actually used to have a Liffin 9-horse motor. We never really got along with that thing. Didn't have much power, and ended up swapping the 212 back on. Only thing we need to do now is put a couple more motor mount bolts in there and tighten her up, and that should be it. And that would cross off our first thing.
Okay, that's what's left. Ready? Yeah, there's a wheel.
It's that time of year, folks.
Yeah.
More stuff.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna actually move straight to this so we can just get this out of the list.
Yep. GT is right there, so we'll just move that. Alright, so next up on the list is that little disc contraption that we have there for the wheel horse, which we also have big plans for. Kinda. We're gonna work on this real quick and see where we can get. Very homemade, but very simple, and it works, hopefully.
It reminds me of what people would have probably built onto their wheel horses. Hey!
It goes
Whoa!
down by itself. That's kind of cool.
Oh, I will throw a weld in there.
Because it still has a little bit of. You can still go down further.
Yeah.
That's
oh
cool.
my gosh, that's awesome.
Got the disc mostly done. Still needs a little bit of work.
Minor touches.
Yeah, minor touches such as bracing, but if I grab this.
And do note, it has plenty of travel. It does travel.
Yeah,
further down.
it travels into the ground.
Yeah.
But
So.
next up, we just got to add some weight and some bracing. But for now,
This. Make sure it's in neutral. Which it wasn't. That would have been.
I forgot that it's definitely going to lower the deck when we lower that thing.
Putting the lower gear. Yeah. Go ahead, sir.
Took the deck off because that was in the way. But now, here we go. Haven't driven this thing in a minute. Oh, it works like a charm. Not sure what the point of this is, but it works. After breaking up the snow, you get optimum planning opportunity in the spring. Can't have this snow freezing up all winter, you know. Seems to be working fairly well. It also seems to be doing pretty good in the snow. So that's cool. Oh gosh. Yeah, it's another wheelie bar, like you said.
We're gonna show you guys something. So, we've got a shop over here with a gutter. That's an icicle right there. It's about as tall as me. Okay. And This is the future plan for the wheel horse. This is a 60 cubic inch, 30 horsepower owning motor. This came out of a thing that was designed to plow stuff, a ditch plow. It's gigantic, it's a flathead.
Opposed twin.
Opposed twin. Sawmill style stacks right now. We're gonna have to change those though. But this thing is loud, mean, and it'll power that thing.
Yeah,
for
it's
sure.
a little bigger than that. It'll definitely put some weight on the front end.
Yeah, that's what it's needing right now.
But that's the plan.
Yeah, the future.
Hopefully it goes through because that would power it. I'm telling
This would be a horsepower machine. This is 30 horsepower, give or take 5.5 horsepower. It's totally different. There's already a 4-blade style pulley, and this little go right pretty much right to it.
you. Yeah, it basically is made to work, kinda.
It's got 2 pulleys here. We got 2 pulleys.
Pulley system's the same, and we're gonna have to do some modification, but it should work, and it might be a little too much for the mower, but we'll make it work. We will make it work. But anyways, that was a day in the shop. Got some cleanup done, got some good projects out of the way.
Yep.
So now we can focus on stuff like this and something over there along those lines coming out soon, hopefully. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you next time.